Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. Comes equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium heated bucket seats, forward collision alert, Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, you're going to have this all-black interior with paneling, cup holder storage on the bottom. You got the speakers right next to it. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with a wood and chrome accent. Also got these black running boards here as well. And onto the seats, you got the 40-20 40 bench split seat with heated driver and passenger, super nice. Left side you'll have your ventilation, as well as your drive mode selector and lighting. Left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel with the black bow tie. And the right side will be your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. Now it's all digital. You can access all of your vehicle information, including your trip info, as well as your gauges, adaptive cruise, and all that fun stuff. As well as you can access audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings as well. It's gonna be push to start, classic calm truck shifter, and onto the infotainment. Equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps, as well as you can access your rear camera with hitch guidance. You also got built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Amazon Alexa. Just below, you're gonna have lane keep assist with your auto stop, as well as hill descent control, part of the Z71 package. And you got the wooden chrome next to your trailer brake controller and your dual zone climate control with 2 USB ports on the side there. Center console, lots of extra storage at top. Inside, lift up the seat. You also got more storage down below. Get it back down, just find a tab here, pull it, goes right back down. Passenger side, same finish, but manually adjustable. Heated cloth finish with the wooden chrome all the way across. Speakers and vents up top, some storage behind the infotainment. And then here, just access your reading lamps and your OnStar and SOS. You got the blacked out 18-inch wheels on Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires. You got the Z71 badging with the black mirror caps, and then the paint match to essentially door handle. To the back, you got the N2's tonneau cover, paint match corner step bumper with the dual exhaust, trailer hitch, fifth wheel sunder. You got the blacked out lettering. Into the back here, you got your LED lamps with 12 bed tie downs and an AC wall port in the back. Pretty spacious rear. Moving on to the rear interior, you got more paneling and storage right next to the speaker. Power window with the wooden chrome accent again. Back. You get pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear ventilation as well as USB ports and an AC wall port. Foldable seats for more storage, lamps on top, and handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST. Comes equipped with the 5.3 liter V8 engine, as well as Goodyear Territory all-terrain tires, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, hill descent control with the Z71 package, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.